Sri C.P. Narayanan.
Thank you. Sir, our judiciary have themselves created an insulation around themselves. That is why we discuss this because we have brought in the legislation to have judicial accountability, but the judiciary itself has said it is ultra-vires. But at the same time, we are concerned, we and the people are concerned because there are lakhs of cases pending in various courts. And then corruption is rampant, and so also nepotism. It has been reported in the media and among the people. All these things are there. And we, Parliament, who say it is, we always quote the preface of the Parliament, we the people of India have given. But we the people and the creation, the Parliament, which is the creation of the people, we don't have any right to touch on the judiciary in India. I think this anachronism has to be overcome. As I join with all my colleagues who have mentioned that the backward sections, whether the scheduled sections or the OBC or the women, as he has said, all these people are kept away from the judiciary, not by the Parliament, not by the government, but because they have the insulated system. It is they who brought in 25 years back this system of a collegium. And they insist that the Parliament has to approve this the collegium. Collegium and the Parliament, they are being balanced. A few people sit on one side, 125 crores of people, they are represented in both the houses. We are considered to be equal. This situation has to be put an end to. I do not know. The members who know more about law, we have to see that a few people cannot keep not only the Parliament, but even the people and their aspirations and their hopes and their concept regarding democracy and freedom. All these things are put in at a standstill by the court. I do not say that the court has not given very good judgments. But in spite of that, all these good judgments come out of a judicial system which is rampant in corruption, which is rampant in nepotism, which is rampant in social inequality. This has to be put an end to. I and my party request that we have to take a very bold position on this.